What is up, guys? Welcome back to the MixedSid channel where we do cocktail. This is the perfect Mother's Day cocktail and I call it the Countess. You are onto a winner with this cocktail. It's pretty simple to make and I will show you how to make the Countess cocktail. Right, to make this cocktail, guys, get your shaker and put in some ice. Right, on the side mention, thank you for all those supporters. We're on 258 subscribers, so we're going very well towards our goal for the end of the year, which is 500 subs. So thank you for all the support so far. Do appreciate it. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktail content, as that's what we do, and mocktails and many more. Right, back onto the Countess cocktail. Right, the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of white tequila. Right, next is 50ml or half an ounce of lime juice. Next is 90ml of orange juice. Right, put your lid on and time to give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Right, get a champagne flute and strain straight into it. Because Mother's Day, we'll top it up a little bit with more tequila. I think we'll add another half an ounce, 15ml. Perfect. Right, and the last thing we'll do now, guys, is add a dash of grenadine. Let's do it into the cap. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Countess cocktail, the perfect cocktail for Mother's Day. How does it taste? It reminds me a bit like a very thin tequila sunrise, but with lime juice added to it, yeah. So they're quite tasty cocktails with one big so it gives it a nice foam with the orange juice, gives it that nice flavour mixed in with tequila. But if you're a lover of tequila, you'll absolutely love it, or if your mother does or your partner, this one's for you. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Well, that is all for now, and don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails and mocktails and recreations, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.